Yeah, we'll continue. So here he talks about the limitations. Though he has given us the four functions or the four kinds of meaning, it is not clear. He himself says that they are not very specific or they are not very particular. The reason is the meaning, as we have seen in the previous slide, the meanings most of the times overlap each other and puzzles the readers. For example, if we see Virginia Woolf's work, there in most of her works, instead of feeling, tone predominates. So that is the point here. Even in political speeches, most of the times, instead of tone, intention predominates. So sometimes the reader emotionalize sense, we distort the feeling, distill the tone, and disregards the intention. Sometimes all these four sense, feeling, tone, and intention fail together, or a particular collapse affects the whole. And Richards dictated the original difficulty of all reading is not the problem of making, but that of meaning. And we are now moving to the last part of this essay conclusion. I hope you are happy seeing this conclusion slide. Okay, so thus Richards made literary criticism factual, scientific, and complete. And for this reason, he can be called the father of new criticism. To sum up, it can be said that Richard's theory and views regarding practical criticism are the master keys to all the problems of criticism. And by using these master keys, all the locked chambers and corridors of the theory of poetry open to the reader of both creative and critical works. Yes. So let me give you a brief recap of what we studied in this essay: four kinds of meaning. So, what are the four different types of meaning, or what are the four functions of meaning according to Richards? What are they? Can you list all those four now? Sense, feeling, tone, and intention. And what are the two uses of language? Referential language and emotive language. What is referential language? Referential language is the language which is spoken in the day to day life. What is emotive language? Emotive language means the language which is employed in poetry. So, what is sense? Sense is subject or topic referred. It is which has a literal meaning. And feeling. What is feeling? Feeling that we have towards some subject or towards an object. That is feeling. Feeling towards anything, how we express our feeling, our emotional attitudes, our desire, our pleasure towards an object or a subject. And tone, and this tone is our attitude, and this differs according to situation or even according to the audience. If the audience or no students, the tone differs, and if the audience or children below 10 years, again the tone differs. So we change our tone according to the listeners. So there is a shift, that is attitude, the attitude towards the listener. A speaker's listener is tone. Intention is the purpose of the speech or purpose of any writing. What is the intention of the speaker? What is his aim? What is the purpose? Or even the outcome of it. Okay, so these are the four functions or meanings of meanings, according to four types of meanings according to I.A. Richards. I hope the class is clear. Thank you.